Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan and Lucy. I'm just going to take you guys through a day in the life with a cockapoo puppy. As of today, May 16th, she is officially 5 months old. So I'm going to take you through what a typical Sunday looks like for us. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So it is now 9:30. I finished my 2 workouts and Lucy normally sleeps in with my husband until I go up to wake her up. I used to have her come and work out with me. Basically, I'd wake her up first thing in the morning and I would take her outside and then feed her and then I go work out. But I'm finding actually that she really likes to sleep in. She is not really a morning person. So I'm gonna go shower and then probably take her out after. Hi, puppy. You need to go for a pee-pee. You gonna go pee? So for her breakfast, I normally set up a couple of these Kongs for her with her kibble. And she has kibble in the morning for breakfast, and then she has raw food at night. So it's such a tiny Kong. Look at how small that is. And I just put a few in there. And I mix it with some of her treats. Right now, this is one of her favorite treats, the Wild Bites, and it's venison with cranberry. And I'll leave a link to this in the description below. So I just put a couple of treats in there, mix it up, and add the kibble. And the kibble that I do have for her is a Canna puppy food for small breed. And yes, I do half raw, half kibble. I've actually spoken to my vet about it, and my vet is actually fully supportive of that. You know, just to give them an overall well-rounded diet. And you can certainly give them an overall well-rounded diet on just raw, but you know, this is what works well for our family. So whatever works for you, great, but this is what works for us. So that is one Kong. She normally has like 2 or 3 of these, most of this, depending on how she's feeling. She can be a really picky dog, actually. So give this to her to eat. Some days she loves it, and then some days she's very picky. Yes, good girl. You want some cheese? Good girl. Good girl. Get the cheese. Lucy's favorite toy right now is this Christmas ornament. Watch. Her favorite toy right now. You had a poop accident. What were you doing, Lucy? So every time Lucy goes pee or poo or has food, we write it down, and yes, she had an accident. So try to write it down. She's had a lot of accidents recently. She's normally very good, but in the last couple of days, I don't know. While we're cleaning, she's gonna take a nap. Lucy, time for a nap.
Are you much calmer now?
Lucy's friend.
And you just see this. I'm done. Are you enjoying your work, Lucy?
So after our little walk around the neighborhood, I've gone down into my office to do some editing for the Plan With Me videos that I need to post for the week. And then Lucy followed me down here, and I'll show you where she is. And this is where she has been resting when I'm working from home. So hold on. She likes to rest there. Oh, where's she going? There. Or normally she sleeps on this chair. What you doing, puppy? She did really well on our walk though. So for her dinner, she has raw food. So she's got a side dish as well, and then she's got raw food in here. So this is Lucy's food. It's portioned out already. There's raw pork, there is also beef tripe, and then there is the superfood blend. Let's see what she does here. So I'm going to try and do a couple of tricks with Lucy. We've worked on a few good tricks with her, but now it's more just fun things that we're going to work with her. So here is a little snippet of what we can get her to do. Come. Come here, you goop. All right, over. Yes, over. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. It's like she's camera shy or something. Miss Stubborn. Come on. It's currently 7:35 and Lucy is taking a nap. She normally naps at around this time, but she hasn't even eaten all of her dinner yet. Sorry for the bad lighting. Somebody got into the hose pipe and is now all wet. Ah! You're so wet. Lucy, let's go to bed. Like she's good. Okay, time to go to bed. You've been outside, you watched movies with mommy and daddy. That's not bed. Alright. It is now 10:49. Time to come to bed. She's stubborn. I feel like today, of all days, she's been stubborn. So what we normally do is we do put her in the crate. Putting some treats in there for her. There you go. Good night. Go. Good girl. All the way in. Mind your tail. Alright. Good night, Lucy. So she spends a few hours in there and wakes up at maybe about 3. Wakes up at about 3 and then comes into our bed. So that is day in the life of Lucy. She's currently in her crate. She does whine a little bit, but then she does end up falling asleep. I hope you guys enjoyed a little glimpse into what a life with a 5-month-old cockapoo puppy is like. I feel like today was not our usual day. Oh, puppy. Alright, but that's it for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves a great day.